In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. Let's dive right in and make your Outlook experience a bit more personal and efficient. To get started, open up your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button, which you should see prominently displayed on the home page. Now, enter your login details on the sign in page. Make sure to input your email address and password correctly, and once done, click Next to proceed. After a brief moment, you should find yourself on your Outlook dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, to begin customizing your inbox view, direct your attention to the top right portion of the screen. There you'll see a tab labeled View. Give that a click. This is your gateway to altering how your inbox appears. Once you've accessed the View menu, the next thing you want to do is click on View Settings. Clicking here will take you to another window, the Layout Settings. In the Layout Settings, you've reached the heart of customizing your inbox. Here, you've got the freedom to tailor your inbox to your liking. Want to change the column width, adjust the layout of your message list, or even modify fonts and colors. This is where you do it. Experiment with different settings to find what makes your inbox most user-friendly for you. Changing your inbox view can significantly improve how you interact with your emails, helping you prioritize and manage your tasks more efficiently. Whether you prefer a minimalistic view or a fully detailed layout, having an inbox that matches the way you work can make a big difference in how you manage and respond to emails. As you explore these settings, remember this is completely customizable, so feel free to play around until you find what works best for your workflow. If you ever feel uncertain about a change, don't worry. Most settings have an option to revert or reset to default if needed. It's all about refining your email experience to make it as seamless as possible. So take your time to explore these features and tailor them exactly to your needs. A well-organized inbox not only helps you stay on top of your communication, but also reduces stress and increases your overall productivity. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your inbox, just close out of the settings and you're all set. In conclusion, personalizing your Outlook inbox view can be an easy yet transformative step in optimizing how you handle daily communications. Thank you for joining in today, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Enjoy your newly customized Outlook inbox.